How do you become a better barbecuer? Going from this to this. Stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of the Wong Reviewer. In today's episode of the Wong Reviewer, we're going to review the Cookina Barbecue Reusable Grilling Sheet. Keeps your barbecue and smoker clean, 100% non-stick, fat-free cooking. Says it goes up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Reusable grilling sheet. So I bought this because I wanted to replace I bought this because I was tired of having to clean my barbecue and having it burn onto the grill and scraping it off each time. So we'll see how it works. So one of the things you have to watch for is to make sure it doesn't go above 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So the recommended temperature for the Cookina is around that, below 500. So I'm paying close attention to the temperature to make sure it doesn't exceed that. So it's been 5 minutes now, so I'm just going to check on the wings of tofu. So as you can see here, it's burnt already. You see when I have the grill, it's burnt. So I'll put it back on the grill. And as you can see here, you can see actually the lines of the grill come through on the mat. Okay, and you can see it's not as burnt and it's nice and brown. These are the drumsticks after I'm done barbecuing. You can see the left hand side is less charred, less dark, and looks a little bit juicier and not dried out than on the right hand side. Next, I'm going to discuss on how easy it is to clean the mat. The instructions tell you to soak the mat in warm water for about 15 minutes prior to rinsing it off. I just added soap to kind of help cut the grease. And then what I did after that was I kind of took a paper towel to wipe it dry. As you can see, it came off very easily. Here I am putting it away. I'm taking a towel and just wiping it dry. And now I'm rolling it up. And the nice thing is it comes with the orange ring so that it stays rolled up and you could tuck it away into your drawer or cupboard. Here's the orange ring. I just slip it on. It does come with a scouring pad, which I did use briefly to scrape off some of the hard to get grease. And I put it in there as well, just not to lose it. So I've used this Cookina mat a few more times now, and is it worth it? And the answer is yes. I've used this for chicken, steak, pork chops, tofu, and I have to say the grilling mat has made it a lot easier to clean my grill and also has made the food less charred and dry, so the food does taste better. So yes, I would highly recommend this product. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.